Hey everyone, it's Anthony here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to replace the engine air filter on your 5.7 liter HEMI V8. The demo vehicle is a Ram Rebel. This is a 2020, so any 2018 plus Ram with the 5.7 will be the same unless it is the Classic. Here is the part number, originally from Mopar. You guys can take a picture of that. And we'll go ahead and replace it, which is located right here. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver in order to get all the screws around, and then we're just going to open it up. You're supposed to change it every 2 years or 48,000 kilometers, or half of that if you live in a dusty environment or you're off-roading all the time. So after you've removed these 6 screws around the box, you're going to lift it up. After you do so, you're going to gain full access, which looks like this. Then we're going to pry up the edge. Take it out. I'll show you guys the before and after. There is also a secondary filter inside the airbox right here. You guys can loosen up with the screws around and blow it out with an air compressor if you prefer. We're not going to do that today because it's all city driving and our filter seems fine. So we're going to go ahead and drop in the new one. So we're going to grab our new one and just place it in the box. There we go. Make sure it is seated nicely in there. It should fit perfectly if you go with the OEM replacement. And we're going to put it back, line up the screws, and screw everything back together. Hand tight is fine. We have a final screw right here. Make sure it doesn't catch the wire. This is our block heater. Hand tight is enough. And there you have it, everyone. That is how you replace the factory engine air filter. This is extremely dirty compared to the new one. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.